Collaboration means to work together to reach a common goal. Positive interdependence and leadership are two major components of successful collaboration. In math methods, I collaborated with my partner to design and implement a lesson at Math Field Day to students at Holy Spirit School. We created a standards-based lesson using kindergarten geometry. Knowing and using shapes and directions were the basis of our objectives. I have learned that I tend to take the leadership role when it comes to collaborative efforts. If something is not being done, I will address the issue and figure out what needs to be done. During implementation of this lesson, if a question was not being asked, I would assist and make sure the content was covered. I would also double check to make sure all parts of the lesson were thoroughly planned out and all the materials were ready. Even though I tend to take the leadership role, I know that collaborative efforts involve multiple people and everyone's ideas should be considered. I discussed various ideas with my partner and together we came up with a very effective lesson. We discussed each other's strengths as well as weaknesses and helped one another work on the areas that we were not very strong in. Students as well as faculty collaborate every day in schools. People approach tasks in different ways. When group members' various ideas are carefully discussed and considered, the end result seems to be very beneficial. Everyone has different strengths and weaknesses, and that is important to look at while collaborating, in order to see what each member can do to maximize the group's success, as well as helping one another grow.